Samsung Galaxy A55.
First of all, it's a fingerprint magnet and dust magnet. Edges are very sharp. What does that mean? It means it feels very nice in the hand, very grippy. Fingerprint sensor, not the fastest, but it's okay, I guess. It's okay. We don't have adaptive 120 Hz. What does that mean? It means it will adapt to a scenario. And sometimes adapting is not smooth. But at the moment, it looks smooth to me. So it all depends what is going on the smartphone. See? It is smooth. Okay. A little jittery there. Little. Just a little. Now it's smooth. And it's okay. Also the menu is smooth. Very nice. Benchmarks. And 714,000 points. What does that mean? It means the flagships like S24 and S23 somewhere around 2 million points. Not impressive at all. Memory speed, also UFS 3.0. What does that mean? It means very low read and very low write. In today's standard, that's 1141 for the single core and 3395 for the multi. In a single, that's somewhere around, to compare, Galaxy S21. Similar power. And in the multi, 3385, 33. Wow. In the multi, it's way above S21. It's somewhere around S22. So it has a little bit of power. But like I said, internal memory is very important to multitasking and gaming in a high performance. Camera. And in the camera department, alright, we do have fan mode. What does that mean? It means that we can add a very nice mustache, my friend. What a mustache. I look great with that mustache. And very round. Okay, what is that? What? I'm not sure what that is. Alright. I like the monkey. Monkey's pretty good. It's like my wife. It's never... Anyway, let's continue. To the portrait mode. You see a lot of bokeh effect. We can go wide angle and if we wanted to. Photo. You can choose a color, natural or warm. There's also a 32 megapixel option. Bam. Damn. The whole thing is sharp. Looks nice. I like that. Okay, aspect ratio. And all kinds of different features. Remember to turn off auto FPS, which is unnecessary. HDR is only for photo. There's no video in HDR, unfortunately. So 4K 30 and 4K 30 also for the main lens. Zoom is 10x, and in a photo, zoom is also 10x, so nothing changes there. But there's one thing which is bothering me. You cannot switch smoothly from wide angle to the main lens. You see, there is no between. Let me show you the same thing on the Galaxy S21. See? You can easily go between. And there's also that feedback, vibration, which is super cool. It feels very nice. We also have Pro Video. And there is no button to connect to wireless microphone. So you can see on S21 you have mic option and you can choose whatever you like. There's also Pro Video, night slow motion, dual recording, which means you can record in 2 cameras at the same time, which is super cool. Picture in picture. You can choose between the cameras. You can put it whatever you like. You can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. But let me show you some samples for photo and video.
Is this going to work? Built-in microphones. It should. It's very nice. It should work, but it's kind of difficult with that narrow angle. But this is wide-angle lens, so I don't even see the screen. But it is quite difficult. I would prefer to have a very wide plug in the Realme.
In the realm of photos, when you're shooting with wide angle, it's a lot of distortions and a lot of noise. Check out that car. It looks like for the paper. It's just too much. Too much noise all over the place. But you shoot with the main lens. That's pretty good. Pretty accurate. I kind of like the main lens. So stick with the main lens. Forget about the telephoto, which is not ideal. There is no periscope zoom, so see, regular lens is good, and the wide angle is ouch, but it's so wide that even your fingers can go through. So, well, selfies, well, a little bit blurry. Night photos, okay, I guess. Okay, a lot of noise. But look what's going on with the wide angle. Even the tree is blue, so that's just wrong. And it is oversaturating the image greatly. Okay, you maybe don't know how saturated is that Spider-Man, but you definitely know how saturated is the pepper. It's like almost pinkish, come on. That's not accurate at all. It all depends on the AI, I guess. Okay, there is no AI. On the auto mode, sometimes it's undersaturating the image, like this one. This is a high resolution, if we zoom. And sometimes it's oversaturating the image. I mean, this one came out really good. It was very tasty. Kind of like it. The team approves the last photo.
So how do I feel the ground? I wear my heart, you wear a crown. Wish I wasn't late to know. Stars don't shine when there's only satellite.
AI stuff, real AI stuff. To edit the photo or video, there's a remaster and background blur, but that's like normal stuff. No AI, unfortunately. For the battery, it's very hard to say because I'm using those smartphones very different than the regular user. See a lot of benchmarks, camera, and stuff like that.
In the end, this is a proper medium-range smartphone. It reminds me Galaxy S21, which has way better cameras and very similar performance. But why not treat yourself with an exotic one? At the same price, you will have an exotic smartphone with a beautiful screen, performance like in the latest 2024 flagships. They are awesome. Link in the description for you. But if you choose Samsung, I will choose an old S21 flagship because of the cameras, which are, I think, way better. There's no AI in this one, so the upgrade will be... That's all I have. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.